how to use Mint Mobile International Roaming. I'm going to tell you how to use Mint Mobile International Roaming. First, make sure your phone is unlocked and compatible with international networks. Then, log into your Mint Mobile account through the app or website. Go to UpRoam, which is Mint's international roaming feature, and add credits. You'll need these to use data, text, or call abroad. Once you've added credits, international roaming should automatically activate when you land in supported country. Check the list of supported countries on Mint's site before you travel to avoid extra charges. Keep track of your usage and make sure data roaming is turned on in your phone settings. And that's how to use Mint Mobile for international roaming.